Hello and welcome back to another video from La Hueva. Today we are going to show you how to charge this smartwatch, how long to charge it, and even how to reduce its energy consumption. So let's get straight into the video. Alright, here we have the watch, which is the Y13. The Y13 is actually one of the most popular watches on TEMU. That's where I bought it, and if you haven't seen my first impression video, it's right up here. Go and check it out. Also, if you don't know how to pair it, I've already got another video for that too. Let's start by checking out everything related to the battery. First, go to the menu to reduce battery consumption. Head over to settings. The two things that drain your battery the most are keeping it connected to your smartphone, and the other one is using too much screen brightness. To adjust the brightness, go to settings, display, and brightness. Right here, you can lower or raise the screen brightness. You can also set the screen to turn off after 5 seconds of inactivity, which is important for you to save more battery, right? There are also night brightness mode, where you can schedule when it starts and ends. This also helps save battery. And of course, if you really want to save battery, the best thing you can do is disconnect the smartwatch from your phone. That alone can reduce battery usage by a ton. Now let's talk about how to actually charge it. Here is the smartwatch charger. As you can see, it has these little pins, and the back on the watch has matching pins too. Just line them up so they click into place. Now let's connect it here, and as you can see, it's charging. Now, how long should we charge it? The healthy way is around 1.5 hours maximum. You should use a regular charger, not a fast charger. I'm using fast charger and it's been fine so far, but manufacturers recommend a standard charger, so it's best to use standy, just one in case. One thing many people don't know is you can't use the watch while it's charging. It won't respond, not even to turn off, so don't bother trying to use it while it charges. It's not like a regular phone. And that's for today's video. I hope it helps you out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, if you enjoyed it, please leave us a like, leave us a comment, and share it with a lot of people. Without anything else to say, I hope you have an awesome day. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye.